Okay, so this question asked in the year GATE 2025 under the subject Chemical Technology. So the key topic behind this problem is inorganic chemical industries, in detail sulfuric acid. And the question states that in the contact process for manufacturing sulfuric acid, the reaction converting SO2 to SO3 is, so four options are given. Option A, exothermic and reversible. B, endothermic and reversible. C, exothermic and irreversible. D, endothermic and irreversible. So let us try to understand the reaction mechanism that converts SO2 to SO3. So SO2 oxidized to SO3. So we'll adjust according to the stoichiometry ratio. So this reaction takes place inside a dual stage catalytic converter. So the converter would be loaded with the catalyst. So the catalyst is V2O5. So in the first stage, the reactants are taken to a temperature of around 500 to 600 degrees centigrade, and the conversion of 80% is achieved inside this first stage. So during this reaction, enormous amount of energy is released from the reaction, which is basically exothermic. If energy is released from the reaction, it is exothermic. So this reaction is exothermic. Now, in the second stage, the reactants are cooled down to 400 to 450 degree centigrade, and the conversion is increased to 97%. So we have to understand that suppose we are not decreasing the temperature in the second stage, this reaction would be favored by the backward side. In order to favor the forward side reaction, we are decreasing the temperature, that increases the yield to 97%. So based on the discussion, we conclude that this is a exothermic reaction and reversible process, which is option A. For more details, please refer to this following reference. Thank you.